Alright, well, we're on the road again. We're headed over to Sand Hollow State Park. It's a pretty... That's kind of creepy. Anyways, we're headed over to Sand Hollow State Park. We've got a Chevy Colorado stuck down in the peanut butter mud along the shoreline, so we're going to go down there and probably just pop them out with the old Jeep. But if we have any problems, we'll get the Nodwell on the job and pull them out of there, and we'll take you along for the ride. Yeah, I hope I don't get swimmer's itch in the mud. Pretty, nonetheless. Where is everyone?
In Vegas. Thanks, nice to meet you, sir. Thanks, Casey. Good, man. So I was up there and I slid down. This other dude got stuck. He barely made it out last night, so I almost made it out through there, but I got stuck halfway because I drove in there and looked. I was like, I'm gonna make it over here, but nah.
Well, let me hook up. I'm gonna hook up a little bigger rope, just so that, because I'll probably break that one. Let me hook up just a couple bigger ropes so I got some length.
This is a free one I got off the dude.
Oh, it's perfect, but I don't want to do a Kinetic with it. It's good for like towing.
Okay.
But I'll just get rid of that metal hook and we'll just hook up a... Okay, I just have the regular tow rope, so...
Just let me know what you want me to do.
Well, let's get you out. You can go enjoy the rest of your trip.
Sure, that Nate's gonna help us.
Oh, don't go in too big of a hurry.
Yeah. You should have seen the bugs. It was insane.
Oh, I heard they get pretty bad down here at night.
Oh, unbelievable. Hold on. It's not even cold.
We'll take a walk around to that truck. All right, let's go ahead and put this up.
Okay. You can throw it in the back here if you want, or hand it to me. Okay. The guy volunteering, he let me borrow it. He was doing his community service hours.
Oh, really?
Bradley.
Awesome.
I said I'll dump it back at the station for him. Yeah. I took the whole week off, man.
Well, take you a week
from Oakland to Vegas. Now we're here.
All right. Well, if you wanna have him just get in with you, and we'll have you get in as well, and we'll just have you put it in four-wheel drive, I guess.
No, there's no four-wheel.
Oh, it's just a two-wheel? Yeah, just jump in and put it in reverse.
Okay.
And I'll just pull you out of here.
Okay.
But don't run my rope over. too bad.
No.
I've had them worse stuck.
Yeah, I bet. I almost got you.
Almost.
Drive it like a rental.
Hi, little buddy.
High five. All right, I'll go give him a tug from there.
Yeah, he's done.
Yeah. I'll come get you.
Well, there's nothing to hook it to in the front.
I'll hook it down on the A-arm.
Okay. Because I went in through that way to deep it out, but it's kind of flatter. I didn't. Oh, you're fine.
No biggie. Here, let's run the soft jackal down in there.
I think you drop it. Oh, okay. Oh,
We cheat a little bit when we get in there.
see?
We'll just hook it right here to this lower A-arm. We don't need to give you too much of a pull.
Okay. Oh, jack this.
All right.
Okay.
Do it. I'll just pull you up nice and slow.
Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your trip.
The other guy called. He want to charge me $550.
Yeah. Nah, we don't do that.
Yeah.
We'll get you taken care of. Give us a good Google review, and
I will.
that always helps us out when people are
Okay.
giving us good reviews and telling us what we're doing. So sure appreciate it.
Thank you. I appreciate you guys.
Watch your little buddy. He's right there behind you.
Okay. Don't Nate, don't think.
See you, Nate. All right. Well, that wasn't too big of a deal. He snuck around there on the edge of the lake, down in the reeds in a two-wheel drive. Hey, are you wanting to be part of this? Get out of me. Are you wanting to be part of this? Anyways, he snuck around there in the reeds. A little two-wheel drive Colorado. He's out here having a good old time with his boys. So we got him back on the road again. He can enjoy the rest of his trip, and sure appreciate all the support, and thanks for coming along for the ride.